Welcome to the video on the full-stack Python developer with Gen AI Professional Certification. This program offers specialized tracks in Django and Flask, designed by industry leaders for the AI era. You will earn 9 certificates, including 7 from IBM, 1 from IIT Patna, and 1 from BIT. This comprehensive program is for aspiring web developers, Python enthusiasts, and upskilling professionals. Key outcomes include earning 9 industry certificates, building responsive AI applications, and developing a full-stack portfolio. The delivery includes instructor-led sessions, hands-on labs, and capstones. The Django track for enterprise development is a 9-certificate pathway. It covers foundational skills like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and React, leading to professional certificates in Python backend development, Django apps with databases, and a capstone on generative AI for web apps. The Flask track, focused on microservices, is also a 9-certificate pathway. It shares core front-end and Python fundamentals with the Django track, but specializes in AI applications with Python and Flask for lightweight web applications and AI-powered APIs. Your learning pathway begins with foundational core logic and syntax mastery. You then select a stream for front-end or back-end development, culminating in AI and capstone real-world projects to become job-ready. The curriculum features 5+ core modules and 15+ tools, covering front-end, back-end with Django or Flask, data and DevOps, and generative AI integration. Real-world projects include building an e-commerce platform and an AI support bot. Generative AI in web development is crucial for building intelligent, context-aware systems. We cover the Retrieval-Augmented Generation, or RAG, workflow and responsible AI practices, using a tech stack that includes Python, LangChain, and vector DBs. Explore career opportunities and salary trends in the Indian tech market. The video highlights high-demand roles like AI web engineer and full-stack developer, along with key demand hubs in top hiring sectors. Active job openings exceed 12,000. Gain credibility and recognition with 9 globally recognized credentials. This validated pathway combines the industry expertise of IBM, academic excellence of IIT Patna, and practical mastery from BIT. Your credential wallet will include verifiable digital badges. The student-centric learning experience is a blended approach. It features the IBM Bit LMS portal, instructor-led training, dedicated mentorship, and hands-on practice, including 24/7 access to IBM Skills Network labs. Our career acceleration pathway boasts a 92% placement success rate. The 5-step journey includes profile audit, skill validation, mock interviews, and application support. Readiness targets include 2 deployed industry projects and an IIT capstone. Admissions are open. Start your transformation today by joining the Elite League of Certified Python Developers. The enrollment process begins with a free counseling session, track selection, admission, and onboarding. Contact BIT Baroda to apply now.